Guys, I think I come from a base style diplomat full line now, and I remember that, you know. Remember good no man, a base.
Yeah, man, SR boss, I represent for Jamaican Chat, baddest channel. I mean, alone in all the dark room.
I want my people. Bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know me there with a hot one, my people. So maybe you're gonna just like, share, subscribe on the video here. And my people, you don't know what for bless up Father God. Thanks to God so we have a life. Alright, before we jump into the video, people, on the road to 10k subscribers, and I want to thank everyone that has subscribed to my channel. We are going places, my people. And everybody check out the BRT weekend that I covered. I did tell you I was gonna do it, and we did it. You understand? We have all the exclusives for you, all the top performances. You understand? But anyway, people, you don't see what go on right here, so Valiant a vibe. Him just live a while ago, and the man a drive and him just a vibe. You understand? To be a Vybz Kartel. And him tell the man them for run the tune, and the man them start play a certain tune with Popcaan in it, and you know want to see Valiant response to that, my people. So I'm gonna check out what go on. But before me do that, Valiant talk of him new tune them what I gonna get released. So I'm gonna just check out that, and then we'll come back.
Enough unreleased song, 1942. What else? We have Crypto. You don't know Crypto. We have Dancer video ready and Steady Up. Yo, enough song. You know in style already. We have the collab with me and Vybz Kartel soon ready up. What else? Blood. How we buying there? Show him there. Yeah, dog. So no continue support the thing. Yeah, man. You don't know, man. I live like a Rasta, you know. No beef, no pasta. So you know that's there, you know. Yeah. Love, you know. Go and support the diplomats, them. Enough things are forward out, you know. Remember the diplomats project I come out, Heaven Sent. A lot of artists are dep on that. Heaven Sent, you know. Stay tuned, you see me? It'll be crazy, believe me. This is a different type of juggling. Is his style? Chip on one part and sick on one side. Man, I live. When we done it live, so. Man, I live like Rasta. No beef, no pasta. Here, force white dog snap that fuck.
Alright, my people, wanna hear that. Hear the G telling about all of the exclusives them, what to expect for future, and you also hear him endorse him tune once more. Rasta. Can we see a lot of thing in the thing about Kibaki Pyramid, and me never go comment on that, my people, but big tune Valiant, Rasta. And that I gotta take me over to the major update now, my people. You understand? So while Valiant was driving, him tell the man them for change the tune. You understand? And I'm gonna check it out and hear what go on, my people.
Alright then. Play the right song. I want the blood. Hey boy, turn off that with the name there 19, boy. Hey, turn off. Hey. Chairman. Run Kartel, no man.
Yeah, my people. Yes, that's what I have for you over here today. That's what I have, and you don't know I caught this live. This just happened a while ago. You understand? So as we say, my people, you don't know, maybe you're gonna like up the video here, share, subscribe on my channel, and I want to tell more the thing about that, because yo, Valiant, the man brawling a while ago. You understand? You don't know. It's not the voice of Jamaican Chat, that was the voice of Valiant. Cause I rate Popcaan and I rate Valiant. You understand, my people? So when you tell me anything about that. Alright. Yeah, my people, and that gonna make me running at the next update. I was telling y'all about BRT weekend, and it was the bomb. It was the blast, my people. Skeng jump off into the crowd like 2 different times. I'm gonna check out that little snippet there. And also Valiant shell along the place, some people. Craft was there, Pablo YG, and a lot of artists was there, my people. But I'm gonna check out Skeng and the rest of them. Come down the line. Big up on yourself, my people. Yes, I'm gonna jump off. For the rest of the morning, my people, please like, share, subscribe. Jamaican Chat, I'm out.
Everybody,